Ever wonder what to do with those old tech gadgets collecting dust in the corner? Well, ponder no more. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of upcycling, where we transform those forgotten relics into something fresh, functional, and fabulous. Imagine an old, outdated smartphone. It's been sitting idle for years, its sleek design now a relic of a bygone era. But within that device lays a treasure trove of components ready to be repurposed into something new and exciting. First, carefully disassemble the smartphone. Extract the screen, the battery, the speakers, and the tiny screws that held it all together. Each of these components holds potential. Remember, safety first. Always wear protective gear when handling electronic components. Now let's take that screen. It's a perfectly good piece of hardware. Could it become a digital photo frame? Indeed, it could. Simply clean the screen, connect it to a Raspberry Pi or a similar mini computer, load your favorite photos, and voila! A custom-made digital photo frame crafted from your old smartphone screen. Then there's the battery. With the right know-how, it can power a DIY portable charger. That's right, with a bit of wiring and a USB port, that old battery could be charging your current devices on the go. And the speakers? Well, they could become part of a homemade Bluetooth speaker. Connect them to a Bluetooth audio receiver, place them in a crafted wooden case for a touch of rustic charm, and you have yourself a custom sound system. Even the tiny screws can find new life. They could be used in other DIY projects or even transformed into a piece of tech-inspired jewelry. So, there you have it. The old dismissed smartphone has found a new lease on life. Its screen illuminates cherished memories as a digital photo frame. Its battery breathes life into other devices as a portable charger. Its speakers fill the room with music, and its screws add a touch of tech-savvy style to your wardrobe. That's the beauty of upcycling. It's about seeing potential where others see waste. It's about creativity, innovation, and sustainability. It's about taking the old and making it new again. So next time you come across an old tech gadget, don't discard it, upcycle it, turn it into something extraordinary. After all, one man's trash is another man's treasure. Tune in next time for more exciting upcycling projects on DIY Upcycled Tech.